Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Madhya Patil. Sorry, after a long time we are here. Today we are discuss about what is packages in Java. Actually, package in Java is a mechanism to encapsulate a group of classes, sub-packages and interfaces package are used for. First is preventing naming conflicts. For example, there can be two classes with the name of employee in two packages: college staff CSE employee and college staff E employee. Making searching and locating and uses of classes, interfaces, enumerations, and annotations easier. Provided control access protected and default by have package level access control. A protected member of accessible by classes in the same package and its subclasses. A default member in without any access specifier is accessible by the classes in the same package only. Packages can be considered as data encapsulation or data hiding. All we need to do is put related classes into packages. After that, we can simply write a import class from existing packages, and the use of is our program. A package is a container of a group, and others are kept for internal purpose. We can reuse existing classes from the package as many times I need it in our program. How packages works? Package names and directory structure are also related. For example, if package name is college.stop.csc, then there are three directories: college, staff, and csc. Such that csc is the present in staff and staff present in college. Also, the directory college is accessible through class path variable. That is, path of the parent directory of college is present in class path. The idea is to make sure that classes are easy to locate. Package naming conventions. Package are named in a reverse order of domain names. That is organized.geeks for geeks .practice. For example, in a college, the recommended convention of college.take.csc and college.take.ee, college.r.history, etc. Adding a class to a package, we can add more classes to create a package by using package name at the top of the program and saving it in the package directory. We need a new Java file to define a public class. Otherwise, we can add a new class to an existing Java file and recompile it. Packages that are inside another package are the sub packages. These are not imported by default. They have imported explicitly. Also, members of sub package have access privileges. That is, they are considered as a different package of protected and default access specifier. Types of packages. Two types of packages are here: user defined package and inbuilt packages. First, we know about built-in packages. These packages consist of large number of classes which are a part of API. Some of the commonly used built-in packages are: first is java.lang. Contains language support the classes. Example classes which defines a primitive data types, math operations. These packages are automatically imported. Second is Java IO. Contains classes for supporting input-output operations. Third is Java.util. Java.util contains utility classes which implement data structure like linked list, dictionaries, and support for date time operations. Fourth is Java.applet. Java.applet contains classes of creating applets. Fifth one is Java.awt. Java.awt contains the classes of implementing the components of graphical user interface like button, menus, etc. And sixth one is Java.net. Contains classes of supporting networking operations. Second type of package is user-defined packages. These are the packages defined by user. First, we create a directory. My package means name should be same as the name of the package. Then create a my class inside the directory with the first statement being package. using static import. Static import is a feature introduced in Java programming language. It means since versions 5 and above that allows members, fields and methods defined as a class as a public static to be used in Java code without specifying the class in which the field is defined. Structure. What is directory structure? The package name is closely associated with the directory structure used to store in the classes. The classes and other entities belonging to a specific package are stored together in the same directory. Furthermore, they are stored in the subdirectory structure specified by package name. For example, the class of the package com.jjj project etc. Subproject 2 is stored as in the directory denotes the base directory of the package. Clearly, the dot in the package name corresponds to a subdirectory to the file system. The base directory could be located anywhere in the system. Hence, the Java compiler and runtime must be informed at the location of the base directory as they locate the classes. Important points of the packages is the first, every class is a part of some package. If no package is specified, the classes in the file goes into special unnamed package, the same unnamed package of all files. Third, all classes interfaces in the file are part of the same package. Multiple files can specify the same storage, same package name. Fourth one is if package name is specified, the file must be the subdirectory called name. That is, the directory name must be matched the package name. And fifth one is can access public classes in another name package using package name dot class name. Today we are stop here. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay healthy.